Hello, my name is Dana, and in this presentation I will briefly go over how art historians have structured art history. Art history is divided into periods and movements. The difference between the two is time and intent. Art periods are based on historical eras, and unlike art movements, they aren't consciously formed by artists. Art historians group their art together because they were made during the same time and in the same geographical location, so they share a lot of similarities in their culture, religion, and tastes in art subjects. Some examples of art periods are the prehistoric period, Mesopotamia period, Egyptian period, the Byzantine period, Renaissance period, the Baroque period, and so on. An art movement is formed by a group of artists, usually with a set goal, and they can have an associated style or shared ideology. They usually have meetings, manifests, and publications that clearly state their goals, basically what they think art should be. Some art movements include realism, impressionism, expressionism, cubism, surrealism, and pop art. The line between periods and movements are not always clear, but while periods were designated after the fact, movements were formed by artists. Art today is grouped under this large umbrella of contemporary art. I hope this presentation gave you a better understanding into art history. Thank you for listening.